my name is Valerie McClain, and today we're going to make some no-bake cookies. So first you're going to start with 2 cups of sugar and 1/4 cup of cocoa. Then you'll add a 1/2 stick of butter. Softened butter is preferred. And then you'll add a 1/2 cup of milk. Alright, and then you're going to stir your ingredients. Usually we would do this in a saucepan, but since we're making this in the dorm, we're going to put this in the microwave. You want to get it to a roiling boil, and then once you do that, you're going to leave it in for about a minute after that. Alright, so now you're going to add your dash of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Alright, once you add your 1/2 cup of peanut butter, you're going to mix it until the peanut butter is dissolved. Now that you have stirred your ingredients, you're now going to add 2 cups of onions. Then you're going to lay out some parchment paper, and you're going to put about spoon-sized circles onto the parchment paper. Fun fact, these are also called haystacks. Now that you have put your balls onto the parchment paper, you're going to let them sit for 1 to 3 hours, depending on the size you make them. I never just like ate oats plain before.
Oats?
Yeah.
Oats? Who do you think I am? A horse?
You never had oatmeal cookies?
Yeah. I guess that's right.
I'm not a fan of oats.
But this is very good.
This is very good.
And that is how you make no-bake cookies. Hope you enjoy.
Here.